Why do 70% of tech enthusiasts switch to Chrome OS Flex? Let's find out. First things first, check your PC's compatibility. Chrome OS Flex works best with older hardware but isn't supported on every model. Next, create your bootable USB installer. Download the Chrome OS Flex image from Google's website and use the Chrome Recovery Utility extension in Chrome. Insert an 8 GB or larger USB drive and follow the instructions. Remember, installing Chrome OS Flex will erase all your data, so back up important files. Ready? Restart your PC and enter the boot menu, usually by pressing F2, F12, DL, or ESC. Choose the USB drive as your boot device. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Chrome OS Flex. You can install it permanently or try it out by running it from the USB. Set up your device and boom! Your old Windows PC is now running like a new Chromebook. Say goodbye to sluggish performance and hello to speed and simplicity with Chrome OS Flex.